What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. Today I just wanted to kind of showcase a product I've been trying out and I absolutely really like it. I got it on one of their deals online when they do their little flash sale, on Instagram, one of their flash sales. It's the Olight PL-Mini Valkyrie 2. So I have this one unopened for when I Cerakote one of my pistols. I was going to put this on it. So let's go ahead and open it up and I'll show you how it's packaged and what it comes with. Go ahead and tear the top off. Little tab says pull out. Good advice. Some instructions on the front of it. And you'll see it comes with a star key, the instruction booklet on the inside. It comes with a little rail adapter. So you can swap it out, I believe, between a Glock rail and the standard, I believe, 1913. And handy dandy little charger, which I'll show you. And the light itself. So these things are really tiny. You'll see it compared to my Inforce. It's quite a bit smaller and it's actually a lot brighter. I don't know how well this will pick up. You'll see how big the light beam is on that versus the Olight on here. So I have this on my 1911 right now that I keep for home defense. And yeah, I absolutely love them. The cool thing about these that I think is really, I don't know if it's unique to this or not, but I've never seen another light that does it, is first off, it's quick detach. So you can put it on and off with the little tab. And also it's adjustable. So even when you have it on your rail, when it's loose, you can slide it forward and backwards and completely off, as you can see, because it's got the little gears. I don't know how well they show up on the camera. Little teeth on there to where they'll slide and you can lock it in position to keep it snug. Another nice thing about it is if you tap one of the buttons once, it stays on. And if you hold it and let go, it'll just be momentary. So it'll give you the quick option to figure out what you want without being too confusing about having to switch one side one way or one side the other way. The only thing that I wish they would have changed on this is I really like the paddles on the Inforce, and I know that Olight does that on some of their other models. I wish they would have done it on this, because these ones have these two, this one has these two tabs, and you just push them down to get it to activate. But besides that, I think this is probably almost perfect. The way you charge it is on the bottom. You'll see that little bullseye looking charging adapter port. And you just take the charger, and it's magnetic. You can literally just snap it on there, and it charges. It'll turn red while it's charging, and then green when it's fully charged. And I mean, that's it. It's super slick. I think they did a really good job with that. And it's really easy to charge it. You don't have to worry about batteries or anything like that. And the charger just plugs into any USB port. So I think that's pretty handy and pretty clever. That's pretty much it. I mean, there's not too much more I can tell you about it, except it works really well. I've shot with it a little bit. I haven't shot with it a whole bunch yet, but it is noticeably brighter than my Inforce and a lot smaller at the same time. And I think the fact that it's adjustable, so you can get it exactly where you want it, as far as your finger placement goes, is huge. So I definitely recommend this if you're thinking about it. Go ahead and get one. You will not be disappointed. And then if you go on their Instagram, they usually have flash sales. I think I got these for 30 or 40% off. So I went and got the black one and their FDE bronzy gold one. So there they are. Hope that answers any questions if you've had them or you were thinking about it. But it's definitely a good light, and I recommend it. Thanks for stopping by today, everybody. Have a good day. Thanks everybody for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to put them below in the comments section. If you haven't already, please subscribe. You can do that by clicking that little circle that pops up there. And remember, if you're looking for a new pet or animal, please adopt. There's thousands of animals looking for a new home, and that home could be with you. Have a good night, everybody. Thank you.